Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Welcome to a brand new course on artificial intelligence, AI and logo design. I have here
Saranya Srinidhi, guys.
and this course is going to be the most incredible course as myself, that is Srinidhi Ranganathan and Charanya Srinidhi are going to teach you AI in logo design, an incredible journey you will have to embark on. So let's begin, okay? And Sai Manoj will also, at the end of the course, be conveying a lot about artificial intelligence and logo design and how the benefits are pretty much there for this amazing, incredible, what you call as a concept. Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
Okay, now Saranya will look at, a sample logo with the video intro. Okay, so definitely I think when they see that, they will get an idea, people will get an idea of how amazing it is. Okay, let's see that now. Okay.
Wow, amazing logo creation intro video, guys.
Wow.
Superb video. So, okay, guys, we will see how to create this type of logo creation and how to create intro video for the logos. We will see everything in this course. Before enter into the practical session, we will discuss some basic concepts about logo designing. Then we will get some clear idea about logo designing. Then we will move on to the practical session. Okay, in practical session, similar to this intro video only, we are going to show you how to create a logo and how to create a slogan and how to generate a slogan and how to create an intro video for your logo. Everything we will see in this course. Okay, guys?
Yes.
Okay, main reasons why a logo is important. First thing, builds trust. Second thing is it creates an intimate bond. Okay.
So the first thing, build trust, is typically what we are able to tell you is the customers, should what you call as respect your logo in the first place, right? Because the brand identity matters the most. Okay, so they should trust your company in the sense means there is no connection. The connection, only the bridge that can connect a company to a customer is going to be the logo. Okay.
Yeah, very good. Before the product name comes to in our mind, first the logo only will comes into our mind. Like if we say Apple means nowadays we got the Apple picture like the Mac or Apple phone that
brand identity comes to our mind.
Yeah, right.
And the logo immediately comes to our mind. The half cut Apple logo.
Half cut Apple logo, right?
Yeah.
Normal apples will not comes in our mind. So logo builds a trust.
Exactly. Similar thing for McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's also.
Yeah, right. For everything, first the logo comes in our mind first. Then only the brand name will comes into our mind.
Exactly.
So, logo is very important for all the companies and all the brands because in one company they may start a new product, they may launch a new product. So for each and every new product, first they have schedule a meeting for designing a logo only. Then only they move on to other steps.
Exactly. And many of the companies have sub products. And each product has a logo, different logo.
Yeah, right.
The company logo is a trademark logo. Apart from that, they create different logos under the brand.
Yeah, right. For each and every new launches.
Sub logos, exactly. And the second point which Charanya was saying is create an intimate bond, right? So that is like the customer will have an emotional connect with the brand, right? So it is like kind of what you call as it's like a two-way bond. Okay, the company and the customer and the company. So both of them can talk about it. It all deals with feelings, right? Even corporate in corporatish language, the feelings or the emotions also matter the most. Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Third thing is it encourages loyalty to the brand. And fourth one is it seems to be unforgettable. First thing, what is loyalty? Means,
Typically, it is similar thing to trust. Okay,
yeah,
but we are able to tell you is when the trust is for a longer period of time,
right.
so it turns into loyalty.
Familiar like feeling, like
Exactly. For example, Coca-Cola.
familiar product.
Example,
It's
Coca-Cola.
my product, like
Correct.
it's our own brand, like,
Yeah.
like a feeling, that like
Yeah.
feeling.
See, Coca-Cola. I like Coca-Cola a lot. Or say I like Domino's Pizza a lot, right?
Yeah, right.
So it is my Domino's Pizza. That mine feeling comes.
It creates a feel like I am the owner of that product.
Yeah, exactly.
So I am a brand ambassador for that product.
Correct.
It creates a feel like that. So it creates a familiar feel.
Correct. So this is the loyalty part. Next part is unforgettable. So this deals with experiences, right?
Yeah, right.
So
suppose if you are going to buy a face cream, means what registered in your mind, that only comes first. We didn't go to other brands. We didn't try
Correct.
any other things. So we will try some other products in the same brand only.
exactly.
Some other flavors. We will try some other flavors in the same brand, but we don't go to the other products because that logo will register in our mind.
And the experiences we had with that using that particular brand will connect with the logo. And if it is an amazing experience, then that experience will continue throughout our life. So we will be kind of a brand ambassador for that particular brand or logo throughout our lives if we like the product so much, and if the product turns into an obsession also sometimes. So the logo also can matter the most, because the first thing that we think about the product, as Saranya said, the logo comes to our mind, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
everything is interconnected in this brandscape. Okay, let's move on.
Fifth one is it creates a coherence. Suppose if some brand is posting ad related blogs or offer related blogs in social media like Facebook, Twitter, or any other thing, normally we didn't read all the messages and all the posts in our social media. Whatever we like, we read that only, and we saw that type of videos only. Suppose if the logo, suppose I'm scrolling something, I see that I see that logo
Correct.
first, means
Correct.
I immediately go there and I read it fully.
Exactly. So that means when Charanya spots the logo initially,
I didn't see the name, product name.
Correct.
First logo will comes into my eye.
Correct. And then whatever the brand the brand has posted will come next. First the logo catches her attention. That is what she's saying.
Yeah, right.
Okay, similar to that. Yes.
So that is called create coherence.
Exactly. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, wherever it is, right? So your logo is your brand, skeleton of the brand, right?
Yeah.
So
right.
wherever it is a kind of a rubber stamp to your brand. That is what this slide explains, right? So it's a kind of a rubber stamp, and definitely I think a logo can make a lot of great connection with any kind of people, not only your customers, even your clients, right? So it can matter the most, and definitely posting it on different social media channels and different marketplaces and different websites, different blogs can matter the most. Let's move on. Okay, so what makes a logo different? So the color, the font, the design, right, Saranya?
These three things are main thing while creating a logo. So we have to give a unique colors and different font style, and design should be very unique. So these three things will make your logo different.
Exactly. And one more thing is when we talk about the colors, right? The colors should sync with the audience brain. That means audience mind, actually.
Right. It should sync with audience mind, and the color also should sync with your product also.
Exactly. So there are certain colors that you can use. There are certain colors which aesthetic colors. If your logo is that's what they call it, aesthetic colors, right?
Yeah, right.
So these colors can create an awesome wow factor to your audience. Okay, let's move on. The color matters the most. The font matters the most also. The design matters the most. Let's move on to the next one.